Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Quincy County and East Central Ohio, Muskingum County and East Central Ohio, northwestern Noble County and East Central Ohio until 7:30 p.m. At 6:47 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles an hour. These storms were located along a line extending from Dillon State Park to Cannellville to 8 miles southwest of Cannellville, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Dillon State Park, Zanesville, Cannellville, Drake, Duncan Falls, Cielo, Bridgeville, Chandlersville, Adamsville, Lorac State Park, Norwich, Ruraldale. Highways impacted include Interstate 70 in Ohio between mile markers 148 and 189. Interstate 77 in Ohio between mile markers 27 and 59. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Tuesday evening for East Central Ohio and western Pennsylvania and northern West Virginia. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh.
Only on the Weather Channel.
We are tracking severe weather here now.
Now looking at the